Here's our new chicken coop. Remodeled, there's Pizza Boy. Remodeled, refurbished from the old one that was over there.
It's starting to drizzle.
Yeah, it's starting to rain on us now. Oh my God, let's see. It might quit, but it's 10 foot by 40 feet. And they get entertained with the calf over there and the dairy cow over there. Got sheep and goat panel down here. Later on, if we decide to get some more chicks or something or hatch some, we'll put a board in there and we'll put some chicken wire so far down, or so far up, I guess. But they needed a new place, and this is it. And we'll make some door over there later, or they can go in there with the cow or something. And later on, they can roam out into way out yonder out there. And we'll put a spring on the door here, right here later. Spring on the door. We see, so you can see what this door looks like here. And we got hinges on the door there. Some roost. Normally we would go cut some limbs and put up there, but that's what we got. And
wet black duck.
And here's the duck.
One of them.
One of the ducks.
Oh, I feel it's hard beating.
Just feeder, just cleaned it out. It's ready to go. Can't put the duck up there. Duck don't belong up there.
You okay? Yeah, okay, he's okay.
And we got the water in here in case that way we don't have to hunt water down or whatever. It's right here. You don't have to carry no waters. Everything's in here, and it's spray foam insulated all down here. Once it cures, you know, we'll clean all that up there, but it's spray foam insulation all the way down, so it's insulated. It's done. And there's some produce they can tear up. We got the treat hanger right here. Whenever we get them some cabbage or lettuce or something, they got a water there. It's one of the hanging waters right there. It's got the chicken nipples on it there. Of course, you've seen the feeder already. And up there on top, there's just some old tin, but it's decent tin. And it's about 30 feet of, about 3/4 of the 40 feet is covered in tin. So I hope this is the last chicken coop I ever got to build. I'm tired of building them. There's the rain. Yeah, you said duck look up, looking at the water. He's like, where'd that water go? Water is coming from the top instead of the bottom.
Yeah, can we show him the rooter? Okay, can we show him?
Now we'll walk over here, show the inside of this coop. We made this a long time ago, but luckily we put it on skids and we were able to drag it over here to this new location. So you can see we got some diatomaceous down in here for when they decide to come in here, and just shredded some papers and some probably bills that didn't get paid in there and whatnot, and the and some a little bit of diatomaceous in the nest in there to get it all started and everything from their old spot to the new spot and all them things. Close that. See if we can get a view from back here.
Dad, did you mention about the goats?
There ain't no goats yet, so.
But eventually
there'll
we're
be
gonna
goats
get
in the
some
future.
goats.
Yeah, yeah, and they'll be in that big pen way back there in the back. Or not way back there, but right on the other side.
It's cold.
The rain, yeah.
That's where we.
We had somebody bring us some things the other day that they didn't need, throw away in one of our dumpsters. Anyways, there was some garage door springs, so now on this chicken coop door, we can just don't have to worry about latching it when you go in. It'll close right behind you. But there's a garage door spring with just some of these clips you can get, and I think they're like $1 a piece or something at Home Depot or something. But see how that works for a while. Make improvements or adjustments later.